Hi, so my topic for the biofuel video presentation for Biology 111 is biodiesel. So to begin on a background, biofuel is listed in the dictionary as fuels that come from renewable biological sources and can be used as a substitute for fossil fuels. So for biodiesel, it was invented and announced to the public around the 1930s in hopes to lower greenhouse gas emissions, for biodegradability, reduce air pollution, and recycle waste oils. And it is similar to petroleum diesel, which many trucks use as their fuel. However, the downside to this is the emissions from petroleum diesel have negative impacts with our earth and just simply are not good. So, how is biodiesel created? It is created through a process called transesterification, where it is a process to convert products into biodiesel. So here we use fat oils and other inputs and convert this to biodiesel. It's used with, so a catalyst goes into this reaction. Here we're on the right hand side, I drew out the chemical reaction that occurs, and we use a free fatty acid or a triglyceride in addition with an alcohol. And then this, as you can see, gives you some ester bonds, an R group, and a glycerol. Photosynthesis is primarily used as plants use photosynthesis, and we then use these plants to go into transesterification. Fermentation can occasionally be used with algae, so we can obtain fats from algae. However, this is not very common. So biodiesel is known worldwide, and the research has been done with it for a little while now. 70% of biodiesel capacity is in the Midwestern region of the United States, and this is like Illinois, Iowa, Missouri area. Additionally, we can see it in Brazil, Indonesia, and throughout the European Union. So, yes. Additionally, to communicate this biodiesel, there's many organizations and packs created in hopes to use biodiesel more and produce more of it. Here you can see the BCAP and Biorefinery Assistance Program both assist financially in providing loans and grants to get biodiesel produced and used more. So the impact of biodiesel on the carbon footprint is good. Primarily, it exports significantly less greenhouse gas emissions compared to the fossil fuels, or in this case, petroleum diesel. And additionally, as an economic impact, the biodiesel sector supplies about $23.2 billion worth of economic impact. Some of this money comes from the $3.6 billion that are paid in wages from biodiesel. And additionally, this sector provides around 75,200 jobs. Here on the right-hand side is this image that I took from a website, which I have cited on my last slide. And here it shows the impact that biodiesel has had on the environment and the benefit of it. Lastly, a plan of action if funding was not an obstacle. We would grow and produce more of the fat oils ourselves as in America. So therefore, instead of the 80 to 20% of materials used from the States compared to our imports, 20% of our fat oils and etc. are from our imports. If we were able to do all of it in America, we would have a greater increase in profit. And additionally, we would be able to use more biodiesel in the States, which would lead to less greenhouse gas emissions and just being more economically efficient. And here are all of my citations. Thank you.